Well, this is the splash section, alright, in case that throws off. Oh, this is some spinning already. This is not nothing.
So far, it's nothing. Are you kidding me?
Like in terms of the spinning, at least.
It's gentle. This is gentle spinning.
Is that a good thing?
How do you like Crazanity?
But Crazanity doesn't spin like this.
Yes, it does.
No, it spins like a quarter of this speed.
No.
This is doing
Just like Apollo's chariot has no airtime.
Okay, it's not bad. I'm okay right now. But...
Yeah, it doesn't get much worse than this in terms of the spin.
Okay, now it's like a top spin. Oh, okay. It's not like a swing. Whoa.
Come on. This is not that bad of spinning.
Yeah, I'm okay. Oh shit.
This is where it starts to get a little worse.
It's a lot of spinning. Oh god.
Oh.
Wait, I'm gonna hold on. This is not like Crazanity.
I have a death grip. I have a death grip on the handle. I have a death grip on the handle.
Oh my god, what the
What is happening? What the
What is this? What the
Why did I do this again?
That's awful. Oh, no, not again. No. Why? Okay, make it stop. Okay, it's over.
That is pure insanity.
What? Terrible. Terrible.
What is that? Like my son knows he says he craps his hand. And I'm pretty sure I just crapped my hand.